In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish or delete a project on Behance. If you've ever wanted to temporarily hide a project from your portfolio or permanently remove one from your Behance profile, this tutorial will walk you through the process clearly and carefully. Understanding the difference between unpublishing and deleting is important because each option affects your project in a different way. To get started, open your browser and head over to Behance. Make sure you're signed in to the account that contains the project you want to manage. Once you're logged in, go to the top area of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open your profile page where all your published projects are displayed in a portfolio-style grid. Take a moment to scroll through your projects and locate the specific one you want to change. If you have many uploads on your account, you may need to browse carefully to find the correct project. Some layouts may also include sorting or filtering options that can make navigation easier. After finding the project, move your cursor over the project thumbnail. In most cases, a small settings or gear icon will appear. Click on that icon to open the project management options. At this point, you'll typically see two choices available: unpublish or delete. It's important to understand what each option does before continuing. If you choose to unpublish the project, Behance will remove it from your public profile and hide it from search results. However, the project itself is not permanently removed. It usually remains saved inside your account as a draft or unpublished project. This option is useful if you want to update the content later, revise images, reorganize your portfolio, or temporarily hide work while making improvements. When a project is unpublished, any public links previously shared may stop working properly, and the project will no longer be visible to visitors. However, your edits and project information are generally still preserved, so you can republish it again in the future. If you decide to delete the project instead, Behance will ask you to confirm the action because deletion is permanent. Once deleted, the project along with its views, comments, and appreciations will be removed completely from your account and cannot be restored later. Before deleting a project permanently, it's a good idea to save copies of your original files or exported images in case you want access to them later. This can help protect important portfolio work or archived creative projects. Also keep in mind that if the project includes collaborators, account permissions may affect who can remove or manage it. And that's it. Simply open Behance, visit your profile, find the project, click the settings icon, and choose whether you want to unpublish or permanently delete it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.